I got this free sample to make a review on it. It's a triple strength omega-3 fish oil by Nature's Lab. The container contains 180 soft gels. 180 soft gels per bottle provides 3-month supply for long-term use. Easy to swallow soft gels. Smooth texture makes capsules simple to take. High quality ingredients made with carefully sourced fish oil. Gluten-free and non-GMO. Suitable for a wide range of dietary preferences. Compact and travel-friendly bottle. Comes with nice labeled and it can be easily fit in cabinet, bag or luggage.